home.
Bucks, good. All right.
Joy juice?
You give me the joy juice, eh?
Oh, I can do it.
Give it some hot sauce.
Okay, guys, I need you to stand to either side of it. I don't want you to stand anywhere near the blade in case something happens over here. This is going to let go and go right there. So either stand behind the blade,
I think I'll stand
in front of the blade.
Yeah, I'm feeling this too.
Watch
Watch
for
for
flames
flames
out
at the carburetor.
Yo, Ryan, just move.
We'll
It
have
needs
everybody's
to move.
consent to be on shit.
Choke on.
Yeah, why not?
Yo, guys, move.
I think it will. Dude, I don't know.
Everybody's so nervous. It's like,
Peace,
oh, nobody's-
Yeah, I'll send
It's
it.
not gonna hurt you.
These sounds awesome.
It's loud. That's
It's not that
Sounds
loud.
awesome. I've heard louder.
It's not as loud as a monster truck.
It's just running
I
off
tell
of
you
what you're
that.
putting in the carburetor. I think
Just like the Acura. It's not picking it up. I'm just trying to backfired out of the car. Smells pretty good.
Yeah. Oh yeah, dude.
I'm not even joking.
Yeah, I know. It smells kind of nice.
Never thought about it before, but this is a good tool for setting ignition timing. Really easy. You guys know what this is?
I can't listen, yeah. Yo.
Guess as to how much power this engine might have? What? Oh no, not even. Oh, not even.
250?
500 he said.
Hey, that's what I
you.
said.
How much did you say?
250.
It was rated, yes?